Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a BMW X3 in neutral for towing. First, ensure your vehicle is on a completely level surface for safety. Then, turn on the ignition without starting the engine. You just need the dashboard lights on. Next, firmly press and hold the foot brake pedal. This action prepares the transmission for the next step, allowing you to safely engage neutral for transport. Once the ignition is on and your foot is firmly on the brake, gently move the gear selector to the N position. You should see the letter N clearly displayed on your instrument cluster, confirming the neutral selection. Slowly release the brake pedal to ensure the vehicle can roll freely. This confirms the transmission is disengaged, making it ready for safe towing. It's crucial not to engage the electronic parking brake when preparing for towing, as this will prevent the wheels from turning. Always ensure the vehicle is secure before fully releasing the foot brake. For extra safety, especially on any slight incline, consider using wheel chocks. This ensures the vehicle remains stationary until it's properly attached to the towing equipment, preventing any unexpected movement. After your BMW X3 has been towed, re-engaging the drive mode is straightforward. First, firmly apply the foot brake. Then, simply shift the gear selector back into either P for park or D for drive, depending on your next action. Finally, turn off the ignition to complete the process. Remember, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for any specific model variations or additional instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.